not
11th.
audible. Hello? Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, tell me.
No, sir, I told thank God I joined tuition to you, or else I don't know what I would have did itself. Like, because now they started 11th revision test, no, sir. 11th
Okay.
standard, they didn't ask tough questions at all, they left it. Now, me, like, after something, like, now they're asking tough questions, no? It is so, it's actually very difficult. You didn't teach 11th, no, sir. Now, 12th, if they ask, it will be easy for me.
Okay, that's
So,
great. Like,
11th itself, I should have joined.
but no worry, like, by God grace, you got admission here. Okay.
As a revision, you do, sir. Like after completion, revision, if you do, then I'll be clear.
Hopefully, we will do. Okay. I
Hmm.
will try my best. But it's good, like, you are understanding. But I am telling today only. Once you complete ray optics, you will be very
Hmm.
confident. Not a single question you can't say that I am not able to solve. If you apply my concept, you are able to solve. Nothing else. Just follow my notes and
Hmm.
practice. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Now, you will observe that in your school, like whatever they are teaching, physics, like here,
Sure.
totally different. No?
Yes, sir, I accept.
Uh,
Hmm.
I think hopefully in October we will complete ray optics. Hopefully, it's very big chapter. Okay, optics. Then in I think November we'll start with optics.
Okay, sir.
Then full
I think,
fledged 11th only. December 11th only. I will go for 11th. You do
okay,
revision
sir.
sidely for 12th. Okay.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you
yeah.
wish to start any other chapter of class 12th also, then you can save. Okay.
Okay.
And nothing to worry. Like you will be very good. No need to worry. Any other
Okay,
thing
sir.
like you would like to say like
No, sir. That's all. I will get more marks and I will put more effort. Then I will
yeah you
say.
need to put efforts like because from my end effort is 100% for you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We will do it as far as possible. Like we will do everything like for you only
Hmm.
because you
Yes, sir.
enrolled here and you are. I'm saying that you just little bit efforts give some efforts. Go for self study
Yeah, sir.
more and more self
Yeah.
study. And I'm saying today only you will get good rank. You will get
Yes.
good institute, good
That's
university.
right.
I'm
Yes,
saying
sir.
today only. And not only we are teaching you, we will assist you in finding the good colleges. In several exams you can give. Several universities are very good, like government
Mm-mm.
universities, central universities. They are very very good. So those forms also you
Mm-mm.
can fill along with JEE. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah,
counseling
yes.
session also we will take. First, we will complete our syllabus.
Syllabus.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank God.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.